Welcome back to episode 18. After rendezvousing with our guide, the local metal fabricator, we are now on our way to explore a series of trails to the mountains of Shaoguan, China.
那边不要过去啊！哦，为什么？哦，就是说以后走这边就可以了。走这边，这边兜你们兜的。嗯。
So a bit about these trails. After sharing with our guide some of our adventures from episode 16, he mentioned another trail up the mountain that doesn't require bypassing a steel gate. So this is what we are hoping to find out today.
So we have lost our guide here, so we're going to give him a call and see where he is so we can continue our journey here. Oh, 对，上次我们走过，但是去芮源的话应该不行吧？你开这个踏板的有意思吗？
爬机对我来说已经没挑战性了，
是吗？我操！
My goal for this channel is to make it as interactive as possible, not just a monologue. However, I've been living here for so long that so many things that seem ordinary to me might be fascinating to you. So if there's anything you want to learn or see, please let me know and I'll try my best to make it a reality. Hey. 没事儿啊。哎，哦，哎，没事儿，哎。 要冲一下，不行了，太滑了，不行了，走右边好还是走左边好？
不要停，尽量走右边，就一把上，2把。
Only after going back and watching this footage did I realize that I wasn't in second gear.
Finally made it up this very intense slope here. Although it hasn't been raining today, it's been we're in the wet rainy season now, so these roads, especially when they're covered with leaves, are very, very hard to get up, especially with me with my very heavy ADV bike here. are in the middle of the forest here, and these guys are testing out this hill climb here. But first, we've got to clean the bamboo off the trail.这个就到水泥路是吧？
这个村庄，要扯是吧？这个很扯的，我们后面扯下。
我来帮你。好，1、2、3，挂档了吧？
挂档了，对。
好，你直接滑下去，我帮你。好，你坐上去。
你扶着。嗯。哎呀，其实不要走这条沟，走这边还好一点。是吧？
但是你已经在那个掉到沟里之后，很难跑出来的。
压住脚了。
哦，挂档了，哎操！好，得慢慢滑下去就好了。你们想玩的厉害的，这里下去，这里水平下去，就对着那个山。这个路能不能可以跑到韶关吗？都可以，都可以。他说要玩的厉害一点，可以往这边，好像都可以。先跟着他们吧。
没什么玩的，里面你们走。
哈，我知道这个，我们上次出来就是从这儿出来的。哦。哎。哎。Well, it's a bit slippery to say the least. Well, I feel like we've done this before, scaling the side of a mountain to try to film a hill climb here. This looks awfully familiar. I don't think it's going to be that easy though, because as I said, we've had quite a bit of rain recently, so the ground is very, very slippery. Show you guys how steep it is here. I've really got to figure out a way to be able to capture just how steep these slopes are, these inclines are on camera, because I feel like the camera always just flattens it out, especially with the GoPro. Witnessing nature here. 这是野猪吗？So we finally made it back here, and I think this is the dirtiest that I've ever gotten the old 300 GY here.